Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI for Anki, which is a super simple application for creating sentence decks for Anki with high quality audio. To get started, you can either select the Start Now button or you can select the user icon and go to Dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to see the history of all of the sentences that you've created in the past. But for this example, I'm going to create a new deck. So you can either press that Create New Deck button or you can use the side menu. So to create a new deck, you need to fill out this form. You can start with the origin language, which is the language that you are native to and that you will use to understand the sentences that are created. Next, we have the target language. The target language is a language that I am trying to learn. In this example, I'm going to use Japanese. The target language level is the difficulty of the language. So this will depend on which language you choose. For European languages, the difficulty is usually rated between A2 and C1. In Japanese's case, it's rated from N5 to N1. Next, we have the sentence style, which will inform the types of sentence structure. You can choose between conversational, which is more like real life conversations that you would have with a human being, and narrative, which is more like something that you would find in a book. You can choose a number of sentences, choosing up or down, up to 50. You can also add audio. Audio is on by default, and you need to choose the gender in which you would like the audio to be in. Lastly, we have the prompt, which is the most important part of creating the sentences that are most relevant to you. In this example, I'm going to say that I'm learning Japanese using a textbook called Genki 2. And there's a specific sentence structure which I want more examples of that I can put in my Anki deck. So what I will do and type into the prompt is, please use the sentence structure to explain something that is supposed to be the case. And then once that prompt is done, I can create the sentences. You can add much longer prompts. You can specify specific vocabulary, specific grammar structures that you want to use. There's really a lot of freedom as to what you can add in the prompt field. While processing, it should only take a few seconds, and you'll be immediately taken to the page where you can see the sentences that have been created.
彼は今朝シャワーを浴びたから髪がまだ濡れているはずです。
Great. Now, in order to download the Anki file and import it, you simply need to press Download Anki, which will download the file, and you just double tap it. You'll be taken to Anki if you have it installed on your laptop, and the deck will automatically be imported. And then
彼は今朝シャワーを浴びたから髪がまだ濡れているはずです。
Click on the deck and you can immediately start learning. So the natural question is, who is AI for Anki for? AI for Anki is mostly for learners between the complete beginner and upper intermediate learners. So these are going to be learners that are using textbooks, going through the beginning stages of the language and are trying to crystallize learning that they're doing outside of Anki. Once you reach the lower advanced level, we think that it's best that you forget Anki and just start reading lots of books, watching movies in your target language, and consuming content in general. But for the beginner to upper intermediate, we believe that Anki is one of the best tools for learning languages in a systematic way that allows you to actually keep the knowledge that you're learning. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the application.